you.
Thank you.
What I've been able to do with some of the guys I mentor and coach is like, look, get together, get a meal. Go sit down and go talk, and then you can have it. It eases the stress of the real conversation that has to be had about whatever it is we're going through.
I see that you are now adding flavor to this chicken.
Absolutely.
What are we putting on?
First of all, I can't tell you that. At my grandmother's house, she would throw down. So it was a ton of cooking in the house. Everybody showed up, and we would all collaborate around some, basically some grub.
Did you find that you were able to have hard conversations when all of you guys were gathered around the kitchen table?
What I tell you about tradition. So get with some guys that, that you get down with, and what I say, go get some food,
Go get some food.
Go get some food. Sit down and talk, because that's where you guys can talk about things.
Daddy.
Eating with the fellas.
Really?
Fellowship.
Is that a baby?
What was the moment like when I got diagnosed with my cancer? Well, I will tell you this much. Wasn't looking for it. Wasn't expecting it. From the moment I was told, that was confirmation that my life was going to change. And so it was emotional, not gonna lie.
It was hard. See your dad in a wheelchair every day. Very active person to a non-active person. Changes your whole personality.
He's got a better understanding today about what my journey's been like, because I was able to get past what I was struggling sharing and shared.
Why do you think that men from our communities don't want to talk about it?
There's a stigma with this cancer. They don't want to be embarrassed by the concept. A lot of families don't want to discuss it because it's a burden. And the burden especially for men of color, is like really tough. And also, having served in the military, is that most men that get out who may have been sick never talk about it.
It's just encouraging me to have these conversations with my two brothers, because these conversations are not being had.
The Black community in general, especially Black men, have the lowest survival rate of quite a few cancers. There's not enough screening in the Black community. As Black men, sometimes we forget we need each other. And so I choose to mentor others. I choose to help. I do what I do for prostate cancer advocacy because I don't want someone thinking they can't get something because they came from somewhere else, or they didn't have the same access or the same opportunity.
Ooh, yeah, that looks
Fresh and
great.
ready.
All right, you guys, now for the fun part. Let's eat.
What has this cancer journey taught you?
So my son's here, he's 23 now. The big thing is the fact that somebody from the next generation can share this information with others, especially from our people.
Yeah.
And then when he's talking to other guys and their dads, they say, my dad went through this too, and this is what he did.
And that's like the definition of legacy.
You can pass some sweet potatoes with it.
To learn more about cancer risks and resources, visit cancer.org/changetheodds.